Howzit T.O.B family, welcome to yet another episode of our weekly videos, and today we're going to be talking about the IKon Alpha Wireless gaming headset. This video was recommended by a member of this family, so Ava Rose, if you're watching, thank you. Enough talk, let's get into it. This is the IKon Alpha Wireless gaming headset, and as budget headset goes, this is a beast. I call it a beast because you can use this headset as a wired and wireless without losing quality. As always, we're going to be using the microphone of the headset for the voiceover of this video so that you can hear the sound production of the microphone. Are you ready? Let's go. The headband is a sheet of bendable metal wrapped with soft PU leather and foam. It's soft, flexible, breathable. It offers great comfort over your head. It has a very wide stretch capability so it can fit most, if not all, head sizes. I love the feel of this build. It is very sturdy, it feels luxurious without all the unnecessary aesthetics. A beautiful design that is both functional and comfortable. The ear cups are attached to the headband by a Y-hook steel hinge. It allows the ear cups to swivel at an angle that keeps the ear cups right over your ears, keeping a seal around your ears. The plastic used to make the ear cups is hard with a bit of a matte finish. The earmuffs are made with very soft foam wrapped with the same PU leather as the headband. The design of the earmuffs keeps a bit of outside noise out, but not all of it, and definitely it is not noise cancelling. The double sound chamber design adds to the performance of the speakers. The sound from these speakers is amazing. Considering it's a budget headset, I am pleasantly amazed at the clarity of the sound. I personally find the bass really exciting, especially when playing games with explosions. First-person shooting is so awesome with this headset. Position location is also great too. I'm telling you, for a budget headset, this is a beast. Before I used this headset, I thought the sound from the speakers would be compromised when you make the switch from the wired to wireless. I am very happy to say I was wrong about that. The manual indicates that in wireless mode, the audio production from the speakers is good for 12 meters. I found the audio only starts breaking at 15 meters through walls. This number may vary based on your wall thickness or whatever interference is around you. The microphone is a detachable 3.5mm audio jack boom that connects to the headset via a 3.5mm audio port located at the bottom of the left ear cup. It's a little L-shaped, just the right length so that the microphone stays just in front of your mouth and not on the side like most headsets. It's flexible, durable, so you can turn it around in any position. The microphone is very clear. The sound is great and crisp. The sound quality doesn't change or gets compromised when you make the switch from wired to wireless. At the start of this video, I said I'll be using the microphone of this device to record this voiceover, so if you can hear my voice right now, that is what the microphone sounds like. In wireless mode, the manual says the microphone is good for 12 meters. I found out that at 10 meters through walls, the microphone starts getting choppy. Wall thickness and other interference around you might affect this outcome. The controls of the headset is located under and around the left ear cup. This is the only thing I did not like about the headset. Although it's a thing of preference for me, it shouldn't affect how you feel about the headset unless you're like me. Under and around the left ear cup are the mic on and off button, the mic LED, the 3.5mm audio port for the microphone, a second 3.5mm audio cable port for the detachable audio cable, a micro USB charging port, a power LED, an on and off button, and a volume scroll. I find making adjustments on the controls with the headset a bit uncomfortable. I prefer the inline control. To use the headset in wired mode, connect the detachable audio cable to the headset and connect the other end to whatever device you're using it on. In some devices, you might have to use a Y audio adapter cable. To use the headset in wireless mode, connect the USB transmitter to your PC or device and turn on the headset. You may also have to change your audio settings if it doesn't change automatically. Whatever mode you choose, you will get the same quality of performance from this headset. You can use this headset on a PC, Mac OS, PS4, and Xbox One. The manual doesn't say anything about a PS5, but it worked when I tried it on it, so do what you will with that information. So in summary, the IKon Alpha Wireless gaming headset is a 2-in-1 beast as far as budget headset goes. In my opinion, it performed way better than a few high-end wireless gaming headsets I've used. No matter the mode you want to use it in, its performance is uncompromised. It's clear, it's loud, it's crisp, and has a good bass. Great output considering it's a budget headset. With a battery capacity of 1100 mAh, a charge time of 4 hours, you will get 7 hours of playtime and all the comfort this headset has to offer. I happily give the IKon Alpha wireless gaming headset the T.O.B stamp of approval. It is a must-have. Thank you for watching the video up till the end. Remember to like the videos, share them across your social media platforms. If you're here for the first time, consider subscribing. We're still doing recommended videos. If there's something you'd like to see on this channel, leave it in the comment section or send me an email. Until next time, take care.